At this point, cryptocurrency is literally just an inside joke, as you can see here. December 5th, 2013. This is 2013. China bans financial companies from Bitcoin transactions. The exact identical news that we have today. And look, September 11th. It's a bad day to try to ban Bitcoin. September 11th, 2017. Bitcoin price falls again on reports that China is shutting down local exchanges. Let's keep it going. As you can see here, February 5th, 2018, the financial crackdown. China moves to completely banning and blocking cryptocurrency trading at home and abroad. Let's keep going with the big joke, okay? September 3rd, 2018, China clamps down on cryptocurrency speculation but not blockchain development. Let's continue. November 22nd, 2019, China Central Bank cracks down on cryptocurrency. Let's keep going. May 21st, 2021, crackdown on Bitcoin mining. China calls for crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trading behavior. I don't know about you guys, but if we look at history, pretty much every single time China bans Bitcoin was a great opportunity to buy. Let me pull up the chart for you. I'm going to show you literally every single time we have gone up. But short-term volatility was a thing. So the first time they banned it, it actually ended this cycle here. And Bitcoin dropped 80% in the next year. But then after that, it jumped up 11,277%, right? Then they banned it towards the top here, right around here. It went down 25% and then jumped up 541%. They banned it here and there was no drop. It actually just went up 67% and then proceeded to drop lower. They banned it here. It went down 57%. And then jumped up 321%. They banned it here. It went up 31%. And then the Black Swan event brought it down to 61%. So that has nothing to do with the China ban. But if we look over here, okay, they just recently banned it and it went down 48%. So again, if every single time we just zoomed out, right? If we looked at this at the weekly, right? This is Bitcoin's price. This is Brave New Liquid Index. If we look at Bitcoin's price, since every single ban, we are up. Every single ban in the history of all of China's Bitcoin bans, we are up. In this video, we're going to be talking about the joke of China's banning cryptocurrency again and spreading FUD. And then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and concerns and exactly how I'm going to buy the dip. Keep watching. That's basically Bitcoin right now. Pretty much all these countries adopting it, and China wants to ruin the fun for everybody. It's absolutely crazy. China issues tougher measure to keep cracking down on cryptocurrency trading, and the central bank came out with another announcement on Friday that all services you exchange fiat currencies and crypto assets between crypto assets themselves are now treated as illegal activities. China is banning cryptocurrency once again. It's pissing me off. In other news, if you sell your Bitcoin because an authoritarian government doesn't like you, you don't understand Bitcoin. I agree 100%. This is literally the exact opposite of what's going on right now. That's the Bitcoin's purpose, right? Bitcoin is anti-China technology. I don't know if that's true for sure, but I will tell you it is resilient after China bans Bitcoin. I wouldn't even be surprised if China's buying the dip themselves. Also, this was a very deep message here. Nothing has created more wealth in the past decade than technologies that banned in China. This is very true. There's actually a list of them I'm gonna go through. China cracked down on Bitcoin. Big opportunity for the United States. Of course, it's big opportunity for pretty much any country that adopts Bitcoin in an aggressive way. And back to what he was saying before, Michael Saylor, China bans Facebook, creates Weibo. China bans YouTube, creates whatever. China bans Google. They basically want to create their own versions of it. They want to control it. This is so bullish for cryptocurrency for obvious reasons. They want to control it. I don't know about you guys, but I value freedom, transparency, right? Decentralization, power to the people. This is what I value. This is what I think is the best way to move forward with innovation, with the growth of the human species. And China clearly doesn't agree with that. As you can see here, China completely banning Bitcoin is the best news I've heard in a while. I feel the same way. I feel the exact same way. Hopefully you guys feel the same way, and hopefully maybe you might have bought the dip. This is not financial advice, but in this video, we're going to go over Bitcoin's price. We're going to go over all the recent news, FUD, speculation. I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin and all the details. If you appreciate this content, do us both a favor, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with a friend. I talk about cryptocurrency entrepreneurship, and I make money in cryptocurrency. I want to reiterate that because I said cryptocurrency is a joke in the beginning. It's basically an inside joke at this point, and China's included. They ban it, they buy it, they talk positive, they talk negative. It's just crazy. Like, they can't even pick what side they're on at this point. They're making a digital currency themselves. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all, the way they move. And actually scary, the fact that people don't know this, and people on the outside are just getting into cryptocurrency. They really think this is like super negative news. It's crazy. This was a very interesting message. I'm just going to read it out to you. A message to US and Western policymakers on how to think about China's approach to crypto and the blockchain. China opposes the Western system of values built on openness, transparency, privacy, free market competition, and so forth. 2 out of 5. The internet itself as an expression of these values, and it is one of the reasons why China has fought to control the internet. These values are also deeply at the core of crypto and blockchains, ensuring them into new economic governance and infrastructure. Crypto and blockchain is an absolute threat to the systems that are built around total control, centralization of power, elimination of privacy, etc. Which side of this do we want to be on? In the West, a rules-based order based on open free market and democratic principles have provided a very strong foundation for economic and governance systems and have the best hope of being extended by embracing open public blockchains and digital assets. There are 2 models of reacting in the US: FOMO, envy, and the belief that we should be more like them, giving their ability to execute, versus stoic, determined outlook that believes in an open internet, be on the right side of history, embrace the open internet of value. I agree with this. Again, like I said, I am with the power to the people. Now, in other news, we see, China coins taking the biggest fall when it comes to altcoins. As you can see here, China's exchange coins are getting the worst of the crackdown. If we come over here, this is actually the official website. So let's just quickly translate this so we can see what's actually going on. Notice on further preventing and disposing of the risk of hype in virtual currency trading. I mean, I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it's pretty obvious that they're just trying to ban the transactions from, somebody else I was talking to said that it's not even illegal to hold it. So at this point, it's a joke. Like I keep trying to tell you guys. In other news, we have the NFT platform from Gary Vee. He's creating another NFT platform that's bullish. Kentucky files emergency cease and desist order against crypto lender Celsius. Common theme. We're seeing regulation all over the world. Again, another bullish thing for me, considering the fact that regulation hints that they're scared. We see it all over the world. Twitter rolls out Bitcoin tipping for iOS users via Lightning. This looks good also for NFTs in the future. Really, really crazy. And as you can see here from the new channels, nodes under Lightning, network over 20% after Twitter integration. Twitter, one of the biggest social medias on planet Earth, has integrated Bitcoin. How is this not more bullish? Also, if we come over here, you can see Bitcoin's pretty much all in the news. Cryptocurrencies all in the news. Non-fungible token Ethereum, you can see literally in the past 24 hours it's trending. Central bank cryptocurrency trending. Bitcoin China cryptocurrency trending. It's literally, I have not seen it like this in recent history. Cryptocurrency, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin trending. Coinbase stock trending. All over the news. People, it's hype right now. This might be a good time to buy, to be completely honest. If we look at Bitcoin search term history, you can see it kind of looks similar to something like this over here right before the big run. People are not as interested, obviously, as they were over here at the top. But when we get more adoption, we will see this big parabolic spike, as you see there, with people jumping into Bitcoin. And it's usually because of the appreciation of price. So again, weather the storm. Let me give you guys my thoughts. I haven't officially bought the dip just yet, but I'm looking at this channel right here. This is Bitcoin versus Tether on Binance, highest volume in the world. So best picture Bitcoin's price in my personal opinion. And you can see we're kind of like on this downward trend here. So can we continue to go further? Yes, it's very likely. But in the long run, like I said, every single time China has banned Bitcoin, I've made a lot of money. I bought pretty much every single time China's banned Bitcoin. I wasn't in crypto in 2013, but all the recent ones I have bought every single time, and I'm up since then. But I do think that it's probably going to go down a little bit more. We're in this channel here, so I'm looking to maybe buy some altcoins, not even Bitcoin. I use Bitcoin as an indicator to buy altcoins, but I'm looking at Bitcoin maybe coming down to 38 again, right? 38,000, maybe 40,000. I'll start thinking about buying. I'm probably going to buy altcoins around this range. Very specific, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of people don't get it specific. I'm buying altcoins around this range. Later today, I'll make a top 3 altcoin video to buy the dip. But yeah, maybe at the end of the weekend, maybe Monday, maybe Sunday. Maybe Sunday, we'll get down to maybe around here. This is all speculation. We could just shoot up from here. But I already bought the dip pretty aggressively around here. So there's no reason for me to buy up a little bit higher. I just want to wait for it to come down a little bit more. We get to the bottom of this channel here. Again, let me be very clear. I'm going to probably buy around $39,000 Bitcoin, $40,000 Bitcoin. And I'm going to buy altcoins because altcoins have been doing really well. I'm looking for undervalued layer 1 smart contract altcoins. And you know, I've been talking about ADA, the stuff that I've been talking about all over my channel. I'm going to buy more. The dip is just another distraction in the grand scheme of things. Bitcoin's going to 100K in the next 6 months to a year. This only confirms my belief of the fact that they are trying to attack it more and more aggressively with regulation, with FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Don't get shaken out of your bags, okay? Don't get shaken out of your bags. This is the time. This is the time to accumulate more cryptocurrency. Like I said over and over again, if you value open, transparency, trust, power to the people, decentralization, this is not the time to bow down to this centralized government that wants to control everything. If you followed China's footsteps and all these banned technologies, you would be out of a lot of money and a lot of freedom. And this is not my goal, but that's it for this video. Short, sweet, to the point. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will, I promise, get left behind. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.